Alright, first thing we're going to do is try to pat your chicken off as dry as you can get it. Now, anytime you're making beer can chicken, you want to try to make sure that what you're cooking in is beer that you would normally drink yourself. So I have here some Yuengling Black and Tan. Alright, now, I don't want it completely filled, so what we're going to do is we're going to dump a little bit out. Put that like that, just a little bit, not much. Okay, now, once you've patted your chicken dry, stand your beers up wherever you're going to put them, like this. Okay.
Can anyone tell me what I did wrong? Leave a comment. The first one to get it right wins a new ThermoPro digital instant read meat thermometer. At this point it should seem obvious what I did wrong, but keep watching, see if you can figure it out.
Like that. Now, I have my all-purpose rub right here. Yeah, you don't ever want them to tip over. Like that. I'm using a competition hardwood blend. Alright, get these right in here without knocking them over. Alright, they're going to sit like that for 4 hours. After 2 hours, we're going to check them. Just a quick little update here to see how we're doing. We're looking real good. We're going to go ahead and spin these around. But that looks good. Okay, folks, we are just about done here. I just did a temperature check here, and we're running at between 175 and 180. I'm going to go ahead and pull these chickens off. Man, they look out of this world delicious. Nice, tender, juicy. When I say tender, that's what I mean by tender. That wing just slid right off. Look at that. Alright folks, well do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Well, until next time, God bless and happy eats.